This is the Dorman 599211XD automatic climate control module with display. If your vehicle uses a manual module without a display, stop. You need to use the 599210XD module instead, which is a different part. Dorman's replacement climate control modules make it easy to get a vehicle's HVAC system working again. This new climate control module consolidates several OEM parts into a single unit, and for proper climate control function, the correct software must be configured using the procedure in the video. Skipping these steps or using the wrong configuration will cause the climate control module to malfunction or not work at all. First, remove the malfunctioning climate control module. Then, flip the new climate control module over to access the dip switches. To start, move all dip switches fully into the off position. Use a small pick tool and make sure every switch is fully seated. Next, set the dip switches according to the diagram. Here are all 599211XD dip switch configurations. Pause the video and match your vehicle to the right switch pattern. Plug in both connectors, then start the engine and let it idle. Do not press buttons or adjust temperature while the module configures. During the configuration, LEDs A, B, C, or a combination will flash. Then one of the combinations will remain lit for 20 to 30 seconds to confirm the selected profile. To confirm that the selected configuration is correct, match the flashing button combination to the application chart. Wait for all button LEDs to turn off. This indicates the calibration is complete. After calibration, verify fan speeds, mode changes, floor, vent, defrost, AC, and rear defrost. If the LEDs don't match the chart or functions are reversed, turn the engine off, unplug both connectors, wait 15 seconds, flip all dip switches off, and reset the correct pattern, then restart and let the unit calibrate. After confirming that all functions work properly, mount the new climate control module into the dash and reinstall any trim pieces removed to access the module. That completes your installation and configuration for this climate control module. We hope you like this new solution, and if you need anything during the installation process, the Dorman technical support team is always available to help. I'm Nick, and I'll see you next time.